Check the alignment on frame 72.
Looks good from here. Proceeding with the weld.
Copy that. Moving the crane to the next position.
Welcome to the most advanced aircraft manufacturing facility on Earth. I'm David Chen, Chief Manufacturing Engineer, and I've spent 25 years building the machines.
Building an airliner requires over 2.5 million parts from 30 countries, working together with tolerances measured in thousandths of an inch.
Aerospace aluminum alloys are engineered marvels, stronger than steel by weight, corrosion resistant, Carbon fiber composites represent aviation's future, 20% lighter than aluminum with equal or greater strength. Titanium provides unmatched strength-to-weight ratio and heat resistance nuts, essential for landing.
Longitude of Stanley. Modern aircraft contain 150 miles of wiring and hundreds of computers managing every system.
Fabricated. Jet engines are marvels of engineering. Turbine blades spinning at 10,000 RPM while withstanding temperatures hotter than molten lava.
Each of these engines produces 100,000 pounds of thrust, power equivalent to hundreds of family cars.
Fuselage fabrication begins with precision cutting, each panel cut to within 0.01 inch tolerance. Chemical milling, panels submerged in chemical bath, selectively removing material to reduce weight while maintaining strength. Precision weight reduction increasing fuel efficiency. Frame rings and longitudinal stringers form the structural skeleton, bearing pressurization loads, supporting cabin systems.
Fuselage sections are assembled in massive jigs, ensuring perfect geometry. Tolerances measured in thousands.
Windows and doors are critical pressure boundaries, double-paned acrylic withstanding 8 psi pressure difference between cabin and outside atmosphere at 40,000 feet.
Each completed section undergoes inspection before moving to final assembly. Dimensional verification.
We have green across the alignment grid. Confirming micro adjustments on section 2.
Torque check complete on row 40.
Wings are flying structures generating lift to overcome gravity, yet they flex up to 25 feet at the tips.
Internal wing structure. Complex web of spars, ribs, and stringers, creating lightweight but incredibly strong box.
Modern wings increasingly use carbon fiber composites, offering 20% weight savings over aluminum.
Wings contain complex systems within minimal space. High lift devices, hydraulics, electrical systems.
Aileron simulation controls allowing aircraft to roll
Before first flight, wings undergo destructive testing, loaded to 150% of maximum design loads. Test.
Welcome to Final Assembly, where components from around the world unite. This moving production
We are still ahead on Station 4. The wing box installation is next.
Acknowledged. We have clearance on the starboard side.
The wing-to-body join is assembly's most critical moment. Thousands of fasteners connecting structures built separately. Millimeter precision confirmed. We have alignment.
Roger that. Logging the data now.
The structural connection is fully secured.
Verified. All loads confirmed.
The empennage, tail assembly, provides directional stability and control. Vertical and horizontal stabilizers must align perfectly.
Lasers indicate green across the board. Begin slow approach.
Affirmative. Approaching target 0.
Alignment looks good. Lock it down.
Roger that. Running the hydraulics test now. Clear the area. Okay, lift slowly, a few more millimeters. Clear on this side. Steady now, steady.
Landing gear must absorb 200-ton once impacting runway at 50 miles an hour. Titanium structures must reduce hard shock absorber.
A little to the right, keep it steady.
Got it, the sensor harness is clear.
Okay, I'm torquing the actuator bolt now.
Modern airliners contain over 150 miles of wiring, hydraulic lines, pneumatic ducts, and fuel lines.
Final pressure test complete. No leaks detected.
Verified. We are clear for final sealing.
Interior installation transforms aluminum tube into passenger experience.
floor structure, sidewall panels, ceiling systems, creating the cabin environment that passengers recognize.
Torque is calibrated and secure.
Structural integrity confirmed.
Verification logged. Seating configuration varies by airline and route, from 300 economy seats to 100 luxury suites.
Galleys are fully integrated modules, complete with electrical systems, water supply, waste management.
Check the vacuum line pressure here.
Looks good on the schematic. We're ready for the mirror install.
The schematics look good. Did you confirm the oxygen cylinder pressure?
Yes, pressure is nominal and the masks are secured.
Modern cabins rival home entertainment. High-definition screens, hundreds of channels, internet connectivity.
Cabin systems check complete. Testing the public draft system. 1, 2, 3. Testing complete.
Painting an airliner requires removing everything non-metal, masking windows, doors, antennas. Then applying primer.
Paint serves dual purpose, corrosion protection and identity. Primer prevents oxidation. Color coats provide airline lift.
Before flight, every system tested exhaustively. Electrical, hydraulic, pneumatic, flight control.
Flight computers initialized. Navigation systems online. All systems green.
Radio check, confirming communication link established.
First engine start is momentous. Months of work about to be validated. Each engine tested individually at various power settings. Taxi tests steering, braking, ground handling. Pilots evaluate visibility, control responsiveness, system functionality, building confidence for first flight.
First flight, the ultimate validation. Test pilots will evaluate handling, performance, systems operation.
Aviation authorities certify every aircraft meets stringent safety standards. Thousands of pages documenting compliance.
The systems integration looks excellent.
Agreed. The final walkthrough confirms everything is validated.
Delivery Day celebrates years of collaboration, manufacturer and airline partnership, creating the aircraft that will serve passengers worldwide for 3 decades.
Set thrust. 80 knots.
Check.
In service, each aircraft will fly 100,000 hours over 30 years' time, carrying 5 million.
Connecting diverse destinations worldwide, enabling global connectivity through advanced aviation.
What an incredible journey we've shared, from raw materials to flying machines connecting our world.
Every time you board an aircraft, you're trusting the work of thousands who built it with precision and passion. Subscribe for more journeys into human achievement.